Hello fellows, we are discussing some application of trigonometry. So today's section I am going to solve the next problem, 13th one. Look at the question. As observed from the top of a 75-meter height lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of a diffraction of two shifts are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one shift is exactly behind the other one the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two shifts. Look at the figure. Let me naming here. A B is the lighthouse and this one is the sea level. Here C and D are two ships exactly behind the other one the same side of the lighthouse, and here AE is the horizontal line, and from A to angle of diffraction to C is 45 degree. So this one is 45, and from A to angle of diffraction to ship D is 30 degree, and here we want to find out the distance between these two ship, means DC. Here we want to find out. Solution: let AB be the lighthouse and the two ships be at point C and D respectively. Look at the figure. Here they given the height of the lighthouse. So that is 75 meter, and here AE is parallel to the BD, because BD is the sea level and AE is the horizontal line. So these two are parallel, and here the angle EAC equal to angle ACE, alternate interior angle. So it is also 45 degree, and similarly here also angle EAD equal to ADB. It is also alternate interior angle. So this angle is 30 degree. Is it clear? And here we got two right triangle. One is ABC and another one is ABD. First I will consider triangle ABC. So write down here, in a right triangle ABC, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So here tan 45 equal to 45 opposite is AB, AB by adjacent is BC, and here we know that the value of tan 45, that is 1, equal to AB is 75, they only give 1, and divide by BC we don't know, keep as it is. And now here BC equal to 75 meter. Is it clear? So now I will consider triangle ABD. In a right triangle ABD, we have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 equal to 30 opposite here AB, AB by adjacent is DB, so DB. And now here we know that the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3, and this equal to AB is 75 and this divided by DB. So look at the figure. Here is a DB. So DB equal to DC plus BC, DC plus BC, and already we find out the BC, that is 75. So here DB means 75 plus DC. So write down here 75 plus DC. And now here 75 plus DC comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. So 1 into 75 plus DC is 75 plus DC equal to root 3 goes in RHS side, it is also become a multiplication. So 75 root 3. And now here DC equal to 75 comes in RHS side, it become a minus. So 75 root 3 minus 75. And in these two terms 75 is a common. So take down outside, remaining root 3 minus 1. So DC equal to 75 root 3 minus 1. It is a distance between two ships. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore, the distance between the two ships is 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. A 1.2 meter tall girl sports a balloon moving with the wind in the horizontal line at the height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girls at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So look at the figure. Here 1.2 meter tall girl standing and playing with a balloon. Here initial position of a balloon change to here after initial time. Here we want to find out this distance. And here is a ground level and the balloon height is 88.2 meter from the ground. And the angle of elevation of a first balloon is a 60 degree and the angle of elevation after some time the balloon is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree and here we want to find out how much the balloon travels. Look at the figure redrawn here. Here CD is the height of the girl and A is the initial position of a balloon changed to B after some time. So here we want to find out the distance traveled by the balloon during interval time. It means we want to find out here EZ. And here CD equal to EF and GH. These three are equal to each other. Solution here. Let the initial position A of balloon change to B after some time and CD be the girl. And look at the figure. Here we have two right triangle. One is ACE and another one is BGC. So in these two triangle, first I will consider ACE. So write down here in a right triangle AEC. We have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 equal to opposite. 60 opposite is AE. AE divide by adjacent is CE. CE. And now here we know that the tan 60 value, that is root 3 equal to AE. Look at the figure. AE equal to AF minus EF. AF minus EF. So write down here AF minus EF, and this divided by CE as it is, and this equal to, and AF they only given the height of the balloon from the ground, so that is 88.2, and minus EF is equal to CD, height of the girl, that is 1.2, and this divided by CE as it is. And now here root 3 equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 is 87 divided by CE, and here CE comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication, so CE equal to, and root 3 comes in a RHS side, it become a division, 87 by root 3. So in the denominator we have root 3 value, so here multiplying and dividing by root 3, and here we got CE equal to 87 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So here 3 ones are 3, 29s are. Here we got CE equal to 29 root 3. Is it clear? So C is 29 root 3. And now I will consider a triangle BCG. So write down in a right triangle BGC, we have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, tan 30 equal to, so 30 opposite is BG, BG divided by adjacent is CG, and now here we know that the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3 equal to BZ. BZ is equal to BH minus GH. BH is the height of the balloon from the ground level, and GH is the height of the girl, and this divided by, look at the figure here, CG equal to CE plus EG, sum of these two is a CG, so we can write here CE plus EG. Is it clear? So here BH is the height of the balloon from the ground, that is 88.2 minus height of the girl is 1.2, this divided by CE, just only we find out, that is 29 root 3 plus EG, we don't know, write down as it is, and here 1 by root 3 as it is, this equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 is 87, and this divided by 29 root 3 plus EG as it is, and now here 29 root 3 plus EG comes in LHS side, it become a multiplication. So 29 root 3 plus EZ equal to root 3 goes in RHS side, it is also become a multiplication. So 87 root 3. So now EZ equal to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3, and make this minus. 87 minus 29 is 58 root 3. So here is equal to 58 root 3. So it is the distance traveled by the balloon. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore, distance traveled by balloon is 58 root 3 meter. Is it clear?